attention? Do I have your attention? Do I have your attention?
Welcome back to Quarantine Cooking with Alexis. Tonight we're working on dinner, so we are doing garlic toum. Well, toum, it's garlic by nature, just toum, I guess, then. That's T-U-O-M, toum.
T-O-U-M.
T-O-U-M. T-O-U-M. Toum. So it's a garlic dipping sauce. It's Lebanese, I think. We love garlic, so we're going to do this. You can do it with a mortar and pestle, but we've got a food processor to save some time. So I've got 4 ounces of garlic, and I have removed the germ from the center of these. You'll be familiar with it if you've had older garlic where there's a green shoot sticking out of the top. It's easy to grab a hold of and get rid of. Where I got this recipe, they said that germ can cause some bitter flavors, especially since this is going to be a dip that's raw garlic. I figured it was important to go ahead and follow their advice and take the seed out, but I don't know that I'd be able to tell the difference if it was there or not. I've got 2 teaspoons of kosher salt, and I'm going to use 3 cups of oil, but my measuring cup only goes up to 2. I've got a 1/4 cup of ice cold water and a 1/4 cup of freshly squeezed lemon juice. So we're going to put these in the food processor and get this going.
Mm-hmm.
So we're just going to pulse this together until the garlic gets minced up. And the kosher salt is adding some friction in there for us to help that whole mincing process. Okay, I'm going to add a tablespoon of the lemon juice. Try to get a tablespoon. Keep doing this. I think I've stabbed this rubber spatula a couple times on the very sharp blades. Here, we'll do a little. I'm going to put in 1/2 cup of oil. A 1/4 cup, rather. So I've got 1/2 cup of oil in here, and I'm going to put in another tablespoon of lemon juice. And then another 1/2 cup of oil. So we've alternated oil and lemon juice. And now we're going to start alternating ice cold water and oil to get the rest of the oil in here and into a nice emulsification. It's already looking pretty creamy, but we've still got to get it to take this much oil still in there. So we're going to be alternating those back and forth. Water goes in. Smelling sweet potatoes too. So 3 cups of oil later, a 1/4 cup of ice cold water and a 1/4 cup of lemon juice, we have our toum, which is, garlic aioli, garlic mayonnaise. That's what we got in there. Looks pretty good. And there's a nice sort of garlic dip for your fries, for your, I don't know, whatever you want to put garlic and mayonnaise on, basically. I think it came out pretty well. So we did that slow to get that emulsification going on, so you have this nice fluffy little dip.
It smells really good.
Yeah. So it's a good thing we're stuck inside for this quarantine, because You'll smell me a mile away. So we've essentially steamed our sweet potatoes for about 30 minutes. And now we're going to cut these in half and char them in the oven some more. We got 2 tablespoons of butter. And we're going to swirl around the bottom of the pan. So we're just going to put these in here cut side down, and they're going to go back into the oven. I guess I could have used a smaller pan for that other one. So those will stay in the oven at 400 degrees for about another 18 to 25 minutes until it's nice and charred. And then we'll get closer and closer to having some dinner. Ooh, right into the face. All of that steam. So here we've got our... You ready? Mm-hmm. Our charred sweet potatoes. So we're going to arrange these on our plate with some of the Toum, and then we're going to use some butter and some honey in these hot pans to make a little bit of a honey butter that will also go with our dinner. Quarantine cooking first non-baking edition. Charred sweet potatoes with, woo, where did you come from? What was I saying?
You were just doing the wrap up.
Oh, so this looks delicious. I can't wait to eat. So I'm gonna say goodbye now and have my dinner.